Oh yeah, good plan, good plan. Give it 12 seconds. That was worth the overtake, wasn't it? That's not what they meant when they said they wanted an extension. Builders got that a bit wrong. Fucking looked at me and went, nah, fuck it, I'm getting out. Piss off. Jesus Christ, look in your fucking mirrors before moving out to overtake. Fucking idiot. What the fuck are you doing in the van? What? Just fucking parked in the middle of the fucking road on a junction. Fucking bell end. Audi making a fucking red light jump. Bell end. Fuck me. Just fuck me, that's all I've got to say to that. Don't even fucking try it, mate. That was a hell of a slide. Thank you. Man, I love being able to filter. And actually a couple things I need to mention there, because some people get a little pissy. Filtering or crossing hashed white lines, if they're not connecting, you can go over them. And also when I was filtering through the double white lines, yes, I'm not allowed to go over them. And I didn't. If you actually look at my wheel, well, you can't see my wheel, but trust me, I was on one of the white lines at the most. I just felt I should throw that in because some people do get a little, oh, you can't do that. Yes, I can. People are letting me. Something else. If you're filtering and someone moves out your way, I always say thank you. Just because I think that's nice, because they're under no nice little wheelie. They're under no legal obligation to do so. That's just them being a nice person. That's how you don't use a roundabout. That's how you use one. You go around it. How many clips of that exact thing have I put in this fucking series? I've lost count. If it's a fucking roundabout, you go around it. You don't go over it or the wrong side of it. Because technically what the car in front of me did was go the wrong way around a roundabout. Two little things really get on my tits, and that's people that don't indicate and people that don't use mini roundabouts like they're a fucking roundabout. Because they are a fucking roundabout. They're called mini roundabouts. It really gets on my fucking tits. So many people just on the ride from my house to here. Oh, I've got to go pick up the kids from school. I don't care if I kill people on the way.